To add comments to a reservation, click on the pen symbol next to the group name in the reservation card. This is used to make general comments. For example, a comment we want to add to an activity list or an activity report. We can, for example, add the date January 16, 2016, and now we add a comment that a number of people in the reservation will be confirmed. We write in the comment under Comment. We will also add an activity report by clicking here, and which department applies by clicking on Department Code. In this case, we will add in the comments that should go to the conference host so that he or she can confirm the number of attendants. We can also add a regular comment that this is to be invoiced. Then we write this in manually. We do not need to add anything else but this comment. We return by pressing Escape. We can see that there is a comment on the reservation card because the pen is red. We can also click on Link Attached or use the shortcut Ctrl and L. We can also add a URL or link documents to the reservation. We can also press F6 to add a document. Or add a link to a web page by writing the address under URL. If we now click Ctrl and L and then click Open, the system will open the link. To add comments, for example, for the kitchen, we need to enter Events. It could be that someone is allergic to fish and shellfish, or that they are lactose intolerant, something which is important for the kitchen to know. Here we have a person who is allergic to gluten. We must mark the meal, which is FM break, and navigate down to Food and Beverage. We go down to View and click on Comment or use the shortcut Shift and Ctrl and C to add a comment. We add our comment here and then choose whether we want the comment to apply to all of the meals or just this one. We choose All of Same Group, which means that this comment will apply to all of the meals for this guest. We can see this by clicking on another meal. We place the mouse on Lunch and navigate down to Food and Beverage and choose Conference Lunch, and then press Ctrl and Shift and C, or press View and choose Comments. We choose Show All for Same Group to make sure that the comment is connected to this meal. If there is a guest who is only eating this meal and who is also allergic to fish and seafood, we can write this under Comment. To make sure that the comment only applies to this meal, we mark All with Same Code. When we press Escape, we see that this is marked with a code LU. When we go into EM Break, we can also add comments for the last meal to see what is already added. For this meal, there is also a guest who will have a smoothie. We click on View and open Comment. We choose Show All for Same Group to see the other comments when we press it again. We add a comment that this meal should be served with a smoothie. We do not need to add more information. It is enough that this comment only applies to this meal. We can go back now. To see an overview, we click on Printing and Conference and Conference Overview. We type in the date for this group and choose Preview. We can now see the comments we added regarding the gluten and lactose allergies. We can also see that under lunch there is a comment regarding a fish and seafood allergy and one smoothie for the last meal of the day.